Hey guys, let's talk about AMP here real quick while it's still pumping. Now, as you know, AMP tends to pump quite hard. You can see the pump back here in May, pump back here in June. So it does tend to pump very quickly, but overall, this trend has been going down for months. And you can see that, right now on the 4 hour time frame, yes, we are breaking this trend line. And I drew this trend line on the 4 hour time frame so you could see it a little bit better. It's a little bit more clear. But right now, we are breaking a daily resistance. We're also breaking this trend line and a 4 hour resistance. So we are breaking three things right now, but I do not think this is going to hold. And if it does, great. I have a bag of AMP myself. I would like to see AMP do well. But to break, so strong trends and daily resistances and one 4 hour resistance here all in one, it's probably not going to happen, guys. Now, I don't know. I would probably wait for a much bigger pump. For example, if I saw this candle get up to 0.007 or even up here at 0.077, I probably would sell. But this is just a tiny pump, and you're not going to make much if you sell out and think you're going to buy back lower. It could come back to bite you. It's done me like this in the past as well. I've tried to do this stuff. The last time this pumped, actually, I thought I was going to sell when it hit a resistance, but I caught it too late, so I didn't sell. But if I do see this candle get up here, and especially in this area up here after 0.0072, I would think about probably taking some profits because I know this is going to fall back. There's a lot of resistance up until 0.007, actually up until 0.008 really. There's a ton of resistance that we have to get above. Now, just looking at Bitcoin, this is the 4 hour chart as well. Still under the trend line. We need to get above this weekly support again. Now, we have until tomorrow to get up there. And right now, if I put this on the weekly, you can see, well, it's kind of unclear unless I zoom in. We are below it, and we do need to reclaim 64.8. As soon as possible. It would be nice if we can even reclaim 65.7, but on weekends that's hard to do. Usually weekends are dead, so it's probably not going to happen, unfortunately. But I would say reclaiming 64.8 basically, it's a possibility by tomorrow. Now, if I put this on the daily time frame, we are getting a little bit of a green candle today. It's nothing major, and we'll see if we can trend upwards. But yeah, this is going to be resistance here at 64.8. But this trend line, which extends down, that's also a big resistance as well. So if we were to meet that today, we would have to meet it around 65.8. But you're going to meet this daily and this weekly before. So that's a lot of resistance to push through. I just don't believe we would push through that in a single day, really, without news on a weekend. Now, economically this week, Thursday is kind of a bigger day. We have continuing jobless claims. We have, core durable goods orders, core PCE prices for Q1 and things. But yeah, jobless claims here. And on Friday, we also have some economic news, basically core PCE price indexes and things like this, personal spending, and we have the Michigan numbers again, Chicago PMI and things like this. So these Thursday and Friday, these 2 days, they're going to be kind of big for Bitcoin. So be watching, but basically Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is kind of dead, guys. But anyways, that's what I have for you on Bitcoin. And AMP at the moment, AMP is getting a nice pump, but I just don't think it's going to sustain. You know, you can see that the last couple of times here and here, we did have pumps, and they eventually fell actually lower than they were before. So, and if I zoom out a little bit more, we had a massive pump. This is on the 4-hour chart. So anyways, yeah, here was this massive pump. So eventually we did fall back down, you know, within, well, about a month. I mean, that's kind of a long time frame. But yeah, you can see, guys, these pumps don't last long with AMP. It's kind of dying at the moment, but we'll see. This could be a turning point. Let's hope. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.